We'll first look at the underestimated health impacts of coal-coking-related air pollution. Dr. Gento gave a very good description on the air pollution and health effects itself, so I'll be skipping a little bit in there, but focusing more on how coal-coking-related air pollution might be more toxic than other species. A reminder, if air pollution has systemic effects throughout the body, we have heard a lot about respiratory disease, mortality and morbidity, potentially lung cancer and pneumonia. Air pollution also is associated with infectious diseases. There is cardiovascular disease impact. We've seen causal effects with myocardial infarction, heart failure, and we see stroke, diabetes, high blood pressure, and reproductive health effects like premature birth and decreased birth weight. So the effects is actually throughout the body. And why is coking-related air pollution more concerning than other sources? If we look at air pollution, they do come from different sources. There is wildfire, there is traffic-related air pollution. We see different emission sources in our life every day, but coal-related or coking-related combustion from fossil fuel could potentially produce a more toxic type of particle that goes into the air. From coal carbon emissions, we see higher concentrations of SO2 and hydrogen sulfide produced. Hydrogen sulfide will be oxidized into SO2 in the air, and SO2 is a major airway irritant. From combustion sources, these particles are actually smaller in size. PM 2.5 is smaller than 2.5 micrometer, but most of the combustion sources, the particles that comes out with is under 1.0 micrometer. With the SO2 that is already in the air, they will capture and be a vehicle for those SO2 gases. These particles, once they actually enter the respiratory system and into the alveolar region, they can actually cross the boundary between the alveolar region and our blood, and then translocate to other parts of the body. These particles, once they go systemically, could have effects such as longer-term COPD, asthma pathogenesis, decreased lung function over time, and also induce sclerosis, coronary artery diseases, and sudden cardiac deaths. Also, in addition to SO2 and the smaller PM particles, coal carbon emissions also contain large amount of volatile organic compounds, benzene and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, and so on. And coal carbon emissions in general is classified by the EPA as a group A, known human carcinogen. So they're causal for lung cancer.